In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver your ebook kit automatically to new subscribers. We're going to walk through a simple 4-step delivery path that lives inside your form or landing page settings. By the end, when someone opts in, they'll immediately receive an email with a clear download button that delivers your ebook file for you. First, open the form or landing page that you're using to collect signups. In your dashboard, head over to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. From there, locate and select the specific opt-in page connected to your ebook giveaway. This is important because each form has its own settings, so you want to be sure you're editing the right one. Once your form editor is open, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all of the behind-the-scenes behavior is controlled, including what happens after someone fills out your form and confirms their email. Inside the Settings panel, find and select the Incentive option in the left-hand sidebar. This section controls the incentive email, which is the message your subscriber will receive asking them to confirm their subscription and, in this case, giving them access to your ebook. Make sure the option to send the incentive email is checked. If this is turned off, no delivery email will go out, so this box is crucial. Next, click on Edit Email Content. Here, you can customize the text that appears in the email, especially the main call to action button. Change that button text to Download your ebook. Clear, direct wording helps subscribers instantly understand what to do next and what they're getting. Now you're ready to connect the actual file. Still in the incentive area, look for the setting that controls what happens after someone confirms their email. Set this to Download. This tells the system to automatically provide a file instead of just redirecting to another page. Click Choose a File and upload your ebook in either PDF or EPUB format. Make sure you're using the final version of your file here, as this is what every subscriber will receive going forward. When you're done, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Then, in the top right corner of the editor, click Save again to confirm all changes. At this point, your ebook delivery system is fully set up. Subscribers opt in, confirm their email, and instantly receive a professional download experience for your ebook kit.